So today I made a plant-based cream of chicken and noodle soup. I first started off with onions, and this mushrooms are the base of the oyster mushroom that you cut off that you don't use. I just recently made a beef broccoli like a couple videos ago, and I cut off the base of the mushrooms, and I said that I was going to use them later in the soup, and this is the soup. But I'm going to add about a quarter cup of oil to the pot that you see here. This is a one pot meal, so you don't have to worry about dirtying up a lot of dishes. I'm going to add my onions and my mushrooms, and I'm going to let them saute for a while. I added salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika to this, and I let it saute for a while. Now I'm going to add about a quarter cup of flour, and we're going to make a roux. If you have watched my videos before, I make my own cream of mushroom soup because the canned stuff, of course, has dairy in it. So as you can see here, I'm using oat milk. I usually use the canned coconut milk, but I do have the coconut milk today, but I decided to use the oat milk instead. And this is actually my first time using the oat milk in this instead of the coconut milk. So I wanted to see how it came out, and it still came out the same. It came out delicious. So this roux that we're making here is going to be the base. It's going to turn out into a cream of mushroom, and that is what we're going to do to thicken it up later to make the cream of chicken noodles. So now you don't want to keep on adding the milk, so I'm just going to slowly keep adding cups of water. You don't want to add too much water because we've basically seasoned this now, even though you can add seasoning later, but you don't want to add too much. You want to find a onion soup mix that is possibly plant-based. I'm going to link in the description box the plant-based onion soup if I can find it. But I'm also going to add a not chicken bouillon, and this is supposed to give it like a little bit more of a chicken flavor. Now I'm still adding more water because it is like still a little thick, but I'm going to add the noodles to this same pot, so that's why I'm adding more water to this. If y'all watch my videos, I love seasoning my food with red hot sauce, the Frank's. So now we're gonna add the noodles to it, and as you can see, it's not enough water, and I did that on purpose because, like I said, I did not want to add too much water because I don't want to lose my seasoning in there. So I'm just gonna keep adding water and stirring it until it covers the noodles. And if you can, please, there's in the store you can find the noodles, the eggless noodles, plant-based vegan noodles. So as you can see now, it's starting to thicken a little bit, but not that much. I'm trying to show you guys like how the mushrooms were white and now they're looking like chicken. These oyster mushrooms are so versatile. And see how it's steadily getting thicker? And this is what we want right here. And the longer you let it sit, the thicker and creamier it's gonna get. But thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.